Hey guys, I know my screen's black, but I kinda have to be quiet. Well, this is part 2 of why your teacher is 6 clues why your teacher might not like you. 4. She does not look at you. She'll barely look at you. She'll skim across you. Yeah. 5. She barely calls on you. You're the only one to raise your hand and she barely calls on you, and you barely ever get called on, so you're never picked for anything. Yeah. So that was 5, right? Yeah, 5. And 6. This is a very important one. You might wanna look out. She never hands your work to you, just from her. Your distributor for the class jobs will have it handed to you if you're there. Or if you're not there, then she might hand it to you, but yeah. So that is your sixth reason. So remember to subscribe, like if you liked, leave a comment. I would like to hear if I could make more, but I'm actually stopping with the if you know how to know or whatever. I'm doing DIY now, so check it out. Just tell me if you liked. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Later.